Yeah, hi. Evening, Andy. It's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for you on your 2300. You can see that there. I've given it a good service for you as well. Okay, your cogs look really nice and clean, and they're quite new. It hasn't had a lot of wear. The micro switch checked all that for you. That's all fine. I've re-greased it for you as well. I've had it playing here for several hours without any faults on it. It seems pretty good condition. So I'm just gonna go up a couple of tracks for you. So I'm gonna go to track 5 and just turn it up. And believe it or not, but I'm using the chassis of a 2300. No, sorry, that's a Overture. But it's the same board, everything. So, but yeah, it's working fine. So I'm going to get that bagged up for you. That'll be with you Tuesday because it's Saturday tonight. Well, Saturday this evening. So, and I'll get that ready for you. And that'll go out on Monday, so you'll have that Tuesday. Thank you very much for your business, and please leave feedback on the service that you've had. You've got a 6-month warranty on that, parts and labour, because you paid the extra 20 for us to fit it, so that covers that for you as well. Okay, so we do cover the laser. We only cover the laser only, obviously. But thanks again. Have a great weekend. Cheers.